Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing now?
I am checking an email on computer.
Do you use computer very much?
Yes, I use computers a lot. I use the computer for my studies. To keep in touch with friends and relatives who live far away. I use it to research for my assignments and to check my emails. Check Facebook updates and post messages, and sometimes I use it to watch movies or play games.
When do you use a computer?
I use the computer every day at home. Usually in the evenings and after dinner.
What was your impression when you used a computer the first time?
I remember the day when I used the computer the first time. I was in class 7 at that time. I vividly remember how fascinated I was with the computer.
How did you learn to use a computer?
I learned to use a computer through school lessons. Later I got my own personal desktop at home, and I learned a little more by using it more at home. Now I have a laptop that I use regularly.
Have computers changed your life in any way?
Yes, definitely, computers have changed my life. I am well connected with all my friends and relatives, irrespective of which part of the world they are in. It has made the research work for my assignments very convenient. I think it's a very good source of entertainment, and with the internet, it is a boon for the humankind.
Are computers used much in your country?
Yes, the use of computers has increased greatly in my country. It is a common household electronic equipment, and almost all the workplaces make use of a computer. Like in a grocery store, bank, coffee shop, school, post office, etc.
Do you think computers are useful in everyday life?
Yes, computers are very useful in everyday life. We can pay our bills, book tickets, shop for anything, set reminders, connect with relatives and friends, research, entertain ourselves, create new things by using a computer.
Computers are now used a lot in education. What do you think of this?
I think it is the need of the day. To make use of computers in education, it not only makes the lessons more interesting, it also helps make children more techno-savvy, as technology is used in almost all fields.
Do you play computer games?
Yes, sometimes I play word games, puzzles or card games on my computer.
Do you think computers are perfect now? Or do they still need to be improved?
I think the computer's technology, in terms of both hardware and software, keeps charging, and there is always something new that needs to be added as time passes. So, in the future I can foresee a lot of changes and improvements that are made to the computers.
Well, I know you're busy, so I don't want to keep you.
That's okay. Nice talking to you.
Bye, see you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.